Welcome back. Got another journal for you. Another bird themed journal. This one is a raised embossed cover. So we've got a little bird perched there. On the back we have a tassel. This is different than my normal book charms. This one's just random fibers and fabrics, ribbons, okay, and it is removable. So the paint I've chosen for this is a kind of a green, blue, and teal. I don't know, kind of aged and distressed. I love the paint on it. It's kind of got a patina feel. Okay, it is tied closed with a sari silk ribbon. Okay, all right, and as you can already see, this one is very similar to the other one that's up already in the Etsy shop and on YouTube. They're all very similar inside, but not exact, so that is why I am doing a flip through of each one. A little paper here and banner, a little sewing. Okay, some glassine. Book pages. Okay. Oh, I meant to change that paper clip out for a grungier one. So just have a little bit of punched scrap tea-dyed paper there. I tried to just take all my little extras and add them in. We have some quotes here, just like the other one, but I won't read them. That way we can leave them as a surprise for whoever gets this book. All right. Okay. That goes right in that little pocket here. Okay, then we have a little bit of a little lace and ribbon ruffle here. Stamped images are from Hampton Art. They are an angel policy company. Digital kit like this, you know, and the digital pages like this one are from Artie Maze's Bird and Butterflies digital kit, and I will link her Etsy shop below. There are also some images in here from the Graphics Fairy, and I will try to make sure I link her website below as well. Book pages are original book pages taken from a variety of bird books. Little ribbon and some beads there on a safety pin. Card. The cards are blank on the back for you to journal on. We just have some scrap paper here that tucks up into this little corner tuck, and a little bird on the banner. Okay, we have a double pocket here, one tag, oops, and two tags, another bird page, variety of papers. We've got tea-dyed copy paper, parchment paper, scrapbook paper, random notebook pages, along with the book pages, so a good variety of pages here. There are 200 pages, I believe, in this book. I will correct that if I'm wrong. I'll correct it down below, but I'm pretty sure there are 200 pages, and probably around 20 or more pockets and tuck spots in this book. This beautiful little envelope is from the Graphics Fairy. This tag here is attached and flips out for a space to write and creates a tuck spot. Got a little envelope here with a homemade stamp. The postmark stamp is from Hampton Art, again an angel policy company. There's been a lot of talk about copyrights lately, so I make sure that I add that in there. And that I do give them credit. This lightweight brown paper that you see in my journals is called a deli paper. Nick the Booksmith uses that. That's where I got the idea. It is not my original idea. This little mini journal here tucks in this corner pocket, so if you don't want it in there, you can take it out. We have a double pocket here. Little tag. And then we have another pocket down here with a bird on the bottom of the card, and then this pulls out, folds back up. Oh, and there's lines on the back. Paper flower down here. Okay, another journaling card with a fabric tab. Flips open and creates a tuck spot back here for some paper. Bird pages, paper doily, another fabric tab, vellum, and more vellum. Okay. This is another of those paper scraps to use for journaling, and I've sewn a little bit of trim on the edge there. There goes the dog again. He always has to make an appearance, doesn't he? Okay. Always has to snore in every video. Okay, and then these flip out. It's for you to write on or glue things on or create them into pockets. Got a little banner up here that comes off with the paper clip. Okay. Shh, my goodness. All right, little envelope here. This opens up and has a little lined journaling card inside. I've put some machine stitching on it to give it a little bit of texture. Okay. All right, here we have some ledger paper, and I've put some hole reinforcers there on the one hole. That way the ribbon won't tear it. Hang on, my battery power's blinking at me. There we go. All right, then this flips open. This is one of those window envelopes. Flips open. Got a little place to tuck right here. Okay, and then this pulls out. And that goes there. Handmade stamp, and again, that postmark stamp. Alrighty. I'm flipping fast. Another little notebook to use with random bits of paper. Tucks right in there. Again, you can take it out if you don't want it in there. Little tag. Punched on the top there. Okay, and then this folds out. And so we've got some paper here, and then you can write on both sides of that. It folds back in. Okay, almost done. Just a little note card here, paper clipped on. Maybe I can get it off. There we go. All right. That back on there. I've got some vellum over a book page. Just kind of tones it down a little bit, gives it some interest. Lots of room for writing. Okay, last page, and then this flips out for even more space. Back here, got a tuck spot and again more lined paper. And this is tea-dyed paper folded into the shape of an envelope with a little handmade stamp on there. Journaling card in the back, in this little tuck spot here, and my book label as usual. So this one is in my Etsy shop and is available for purchase. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.